Hi, this is Volvo V40 and I will show you how to replace the small battery from the start-stop system, which is actually down there. For the beginning, I must tell you the English is not my primary language, so apologize for inconvenience, but I will try to explain every part of my work. So the first thing you should do is disconnect this minus from your main battery. Of course, I can show you how to look at the small battery. This is the original, which I actually removed from my car. It's made by Volvo. It has 12 volts, 180 amps, and this is the brand new. It's not original actually. It's banner 12 volts, 185 amps. So I will install this. Of course, if the money is not a problem, you can buy the original one right here, but I will replace that battery. And okay, so the second thing you should do when you remove the minus, of course, from your own safety, is move up your car by, for example, this device, and secure it for your own safety, like I told you before. So unscrew these screws here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 here. Okay, move a little this shield. The official actually I will tell you that official way to do that is remove that bumper, and if you do that, you've got a direct access to your battery. You can this is actually the access is way better than that, but it's much more work to do. So if you do that my way, and it should make a little faster, I think. Okay, so the worst thing to do is remove this device. I don't know if this is a central electronic module or something different, but you must unscrew 3 screws. One is here, second one is here, and that is this one, and that is the worst. The worst sorry, this is not the worst, but the worst is right there. I don't know if you see that. How I can do that? I put my hand right here with the screw and disconnect this device, unscrewed of course. So when you remove this device, okay, it's number 8. Okay, I will show you. Okay, yeah, you've got a easy access from your second battery, which is actually right here. Remove the old battery, install the new one, and this is all work. Yeah, you should do. So it's not really hard to access, but yeah, this is the screws I told you before. It's really hard to unscrew this screw because I move my hand right this hole and disconnect that. Yeah, so so that is all the part. I think that should help you a lot. Yeah, the weather is not really good for the job, like you see here. Look at my dog. And that's it. Thank you for watching.